Who said you couldn't gift a piece of the beach? As you can tell, I'm on the sand, and so this video is going to be a piece of the ocean of the Caribbean. And in this video, I'll be showing you how I make my Caribbean sea salt and lime bar. Just picture it. You're strolling along the beach and it's almost time to leave this beautiful island. You're not satisfied with what you've found, but you're looking for something that's reminiscent of island joy and the ocean. So here is my salted bar. Now with this bar, here are some of the lovely ingredients that you'll see in here. Now the key ingredients are Caribbean sea salt, which is a natural detoxifier. It also contains lots of magnesium that helps to feed dry, dehydrated skin. And also another key ingredient is lime peeled, and this is steam distilled. And lime is a relaxing stress reliever and is excellent for skin that's oily. And then of course this is made in a base of not only rice oil but organic cocoa butter. And organic cocoa butter is a great natural vitamin E skin moisturizer. As you can see in this video, I've added rice, distilled water, organic oils and butters of palm, coconut oil, of course your Atlantic sea salt, your organic cocoa butter, organic castor seed oil, your lime essential oil, some rosemary leaf extract, a little bit of silk if you are vegan, this one's not for you, and 24K gold in a design that represents the going out of the tide. And the Caribbean sea salt rests at the base of this bar, while the top mimics the outgoing tide in gold. And then the steam distilled lime peel represents the joy of the people on the island. If you know anything about the Caribbean people, we love our limes, okay? And all of this is blended into some moisturizing oils and cocoa butter, as I've mentioned before, to help cleanse your skin without stripping your skin as well. Now here are some of my skin tips when using this bar or any other soap or bar that you've used here at Champ de Fleur. So first up, you want to exfoliate on dry skin with a dry brush daily, preferably in the morning. You want to exfoliate with sugar, salts, or some sort of other gentle physical exfoliant twice a week. Make sure to eat fibrous foods and hydrate regularly. And after your bath or shower, apply a moisturizer to wet skin to lock in that moisture. Thank you so much for watching me make the salted Caribbean sea salt bar that has aroma of lime. that mimics the ocean and the joy of the people. Thank you so much for watching this, and come over to the shop and purchase one, and I'll be happy to package it and send it off to you. Bye.